Yo, 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 what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back. Ross Wristwatch Love. And right now we got that Watch Gang unboxing. You know what I mean? So we're about to get into it, see what this month's offering is. Alright. Oh. Oh shit, okay. Alright. Okay. We have a look. I took the knife right through and I didn't mean to do that. J. Lewis Benjamin Audemars, came famous, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's they flyer. Thanks to all the veterans. Word up. You know I come from a military family. Father, uncles, I was in the military. Shout out to the vets. Sitting up here drinking a beer. Finally got hot here in Cincinnati. You know, so we're about to get into it. Red Shift 7. Let's take a good look at it. Ooh. Okay. It got some weight to it too. Alright, cool. Check that out. Red Shift 7. This month's original tier. Alright. Promotional card. Let's see. See what we got on the back here. 5 ATM water resistance, Japanese quartz movement, stainless steel, all stainless steel. You know. All right, look like we got the date at the 3 o'clock. Let's see. Bezel rotate. That's cool. Let me pull this out. We're gonna start him up. Alright. What time is it now? Oh, and I'm rocking a Belova crystal. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do a review on this bad boy sometime this week. I love this watch. But what time is it? 5:15. 5:15. There we go. We ain't gonna worry about the date right now. The date. Alright. Alright, and there we go. Start it up. This is a nice piece right here. Got some pretty good weight to it. You know what I mean? Let's take that plastic off the crystal right quick. Let's straighten up. Alright, there. There it is. Red Shift 7. That red dial looks great though. I'm really feeling that. I'm really feeling that. I love the stainless steel bracelet. You know. See that? Wham! Open up. So we're gonna go ahead and try him on the wrist right quick. You know. So hold on, people. Alright, and there you go. How you look on the wrist. Looks pretty awesome, y'all. You know what I mean? I can take a few links out of here. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and get that. So just stand by for a minute. We're gonna take some links out of here because I got some room in there. You know what I mean? So hold on, be right back. All right, we're gonna see if we can work this out right quick. I'm about to take a link out of this piece. Let me see which way they go. So we need to go that way. And let's see. Let's see how this works. Shout out to the homie Young L. He got this little tool for me to get the links out. You know, if y'all in the game and nerdy shit, check out Nerd Life 513. You know what I'm saying? There's a YouTube page where we do gaming, comic books, all kind of stuff. You know what I mean? So check that out. You know. It's off the hook. It's hype shit. Alright, now let's see. Now, there's one. Bang. Alright. Now, let's get this other piece up out of here. Come on. There we go. Bow. It's out. There we go. Alright. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Go. put these back together. Solid stainless too. Shit. Put that pen back in there. Come on. There you go. There you go, baby. There it is. All right. In the house. There we go. Now we're gonna go for another wristwatch check. See how this feel right now. Hold on. And there it is, people. That feels a lot more comfortable with that link taken out. You know what I mean? The Red Shift watch gang in the house. You know what I mean? So now we're gonna go ahead and see what's the bang for the buck. How much this joint actually costs. So let's get into it. Stand by. And as you can see right now, the watch that I have acquired from Watch Gang is Red Shift 7. It is classified as the Exosphere. The regular price of this watch is $165, so we definitely did get the bang for the buck. You know what I mean? Shout out to Watch Gang. You know, appreciate you. One thing about it is, like being a member, like I never knew how many great watch companies there were out there. You know, besides like your regulars, Belova, Seiko, Citizen, blah, Invicta, blah, 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 blah. But they have really introduced me to a lot of great brands. You know what I mean? And Red Shift 7, the Exosphere, is just another one. So, shout out to Watch Gang. Peace. This your boy P. Ross, and I'm out.